Hello and welcome to our next video and lecture from this course entitled 5 ways to start an online home business. Now previously we have talked in the other lecture, in the other video, about affiliate marketing with video reviews. That is the first method through which you can start an online home-based business, and it's a very cool method because you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. It's actually completely free, so it's one of the methods that you can start applying today. It's not complicated at all, and it can be very, very powerful. Now, let me show you some examples so you can understand better how this works and then exactly what you have to do, right? So first of all, right now, as you can see, I am on YouTube. So what you have to do is go ahead on youtube.com, and I want to show you guys some examples, right? Basically on YouTube, if you will go and you will search for different things like how to lose weight or something like that, or maybe you found a product somewhere on the internet and you want to see how it works, you'll find it on YouTube. And in a lot of videos, what you will see is that you have a link in the description of the video, basically with a link which goes to that product. That is an affiliate link. If you go through that link to that product and you buy it, that person who sent you there, probably the publisher of the video review, will get a commission because you bought through his link, right? So let me give you an example in the internet marketing niche. Okay, basically people in the internet marketing niche launch and sell products which are related to how to make money online, different marketing softwares and other stuff like that. Okay, and there is this guy whose name is Philip Lopez. Okay, he's a great guy. I've talked to him a couple of times. He also launches products, but he's a rather big affiliate now. Okay, let's say medium to big affiliate, and he started with YouTube videos. Basically, he gets free traffic from people who are searching on YouTube for different products which are launching in the internet marketing space. And let me give you an example. Okay, so you can see that I'm in his videos here, and you can see that he has here Easy YouTube Money Method 2.0 honest review. Okay, honest review. Now if we will click on this link, this is actually what this is. Okay, so basically before the product was launched, the product is called Easy YouTube Money Method. He created this video with a review for the product, uploaded it here. He searched for the right keywords. The main keyword is actually key phrase is Easy YouTube Money Method 2.0 honest review. Okay, and if we will scroll down, you can see that here is the link to his website where he has where he sells his product, this product as an affiliate. He probably also gives method bonuses to it and so on, right? So if we click on this link here, we will be redirected to his website where he actually sells the product, right, as an affiliate. Well, actually this one doesn't work anymore, but that's what it was supposed to do, right? So he has a lot of videos like that. If we scroll back, you can see that this one has 70 views. It's like 2 years ago, so he wasn't that big at that time. But if you scroll down, you will see that he has a lot of reviews like that. Okay, he just started out how two little girls make $127,000 per month on YouTube. This is probably another product. Okay, and you will find all these sort of products. Okay, for example, let's say a very good product that was sold like crazy for this type of reviews was videos. Okay, you can see that we have videos 2.0 review. Okay, so what you can see here, it's people who are actually doing this. Okay, so you can see a lot of reviews like this, okay, from people, and these are people who don't have an email list. Okay, they don't have any other sort of traffic. They only get traffic from people who are going on YouTube and they are searching for videos 2.0 review. Heck, if you go on Google, because YouTube is a part of Google, and you will search for videos 2.0 review, you will still get some results from YouTube. Okay, some of these videos, so even Google will redirect you to see these videos reviews on YouTube. And if we go in these reviews, okay, if you have a look at them, okay, videos 2.0. Let me just pause it. You'll see that if we go here, he probably has like an affiliate link or an offer or also a review or something like that. Okay, this link doesn't work either. Let me check a different one. Maybe this one works. Okay, videos live action, go here, show more. Yeah, so this is how it works, guys. It's very, very simple, right? Very, very, very simple. Adam Payne, let me just scroll down a little bit. Let me see if this one is better. Okay, so here is the actual affiliate link from JVZoo, right? For this product. So basically what happens, before Videos 2.0 was launched, nobody was searching for this product. So it was rather easy to rank for it. Now, what you have to do, first of all, you have to create a Google account, right? If you have a Google account, you will automatically have a YouTube account. And you can see here that I'm logged into my YouTube account. Okay. Actually into one of my YouTube accounts. If you scroll down, I can go into my channel. I'm using this method as well. Look, Lotto Dominator review, okay, and other methods as this as well. So what you want to do is create this type of channel, okay. Then you want to see the offers from the internet marketing space. This is for option 1 that we have discussed earlier for this affiliate marketing with video reviews method. And where can you see which products are launching next and which are very big? On manchai.com. So be sure you are writing down this website. Basically, this is a product launch calendar. You can see which products are coming up to be launched soon in the internet marketing space. And for example, it would be very good for you to choose a product which is launched, let's say, after the 16th of January. Okay. For example, we have on the 16th of January, Ariel Sanders Cloud Software. Now, what you can do is check out this launch. It will be launched on JVZoo. Okay. Bear with me for a couple of seconds. So you can see that it will be launched on JVZoo. Okay. What you need to do is go ahead on jvzoo.com. Okay, and create an account. You can see that I'm already logged in. If we go in my affiliate dashboard, you can see that even now at this moment I have outstanding commissions, $75, okay, which need to be paid for me. And if I go on the details, you can see that this vendor has to give me $57 and this other vendor $18.5. Okay, so create an account on JVZoo. And then whenever you want to promote a new product like cloud software, okay, you will have a link here on Manchai. After you click on it, that will redirect you automatically to the JVZoo page where you have to request to be an affiliate, okay? You'll just click on a request link, you will be approved instantly. The same thing happens because a lot of products are also launched on this platform, which is called Warrior Plus. So you go on warriorplus.com, you create an account, and whenever there's a product on Manchai that it's on Warrior Plus, just log into your account, request to be an affiliate for that product, and then you will be able to promote it. Then what you do is you go have a look at their sales page of the product. Okay, in the case of this one, we don't have one yet, but there are others who already have sales pages. Okay, you have to look for those so that you can make a review. You create the video review, you talk a little bit about the product, and then you tell people, okay, now if you want to buy the product from my link, I will also give you some exclusive bonuses. Usually products already have bonuses, so it's okay for you to say that. So you say to them, okay, just check the link in my description and grab it for a crazy low price with all my exclusive bonuses. Okay, and people, when they will be on YouTube on the review, let me go back. So in the actual review, they will just look in the description of the video, click on the link, will be redirected and will buy through your link, and you will get paid. Okay, it's very, very easy. It's not complicated at all. Now the other option, as I've told you, is for you to create video reviews, okay, for products which are evergreen. Okay, like physical products from Amazon. For example, if you go on Amazon, you can look for I know, like Canon 70D review, right, for Amazon. Let me just look on that. So we have this one here. Link. Okay, the product featured in the video can be found at, okay, so you can see that music. Okay, so you can see that we can find this affiliate link here. Okay, this is basically a review for a digital camera from Canon. Okay, it's a very good camera, and here you have the affiliate link. So if you buy through this affiliate link the actual camera from Amazon, you will get a percentage for that. Okay, so this is just an example. Amazon, go on Amazon.com, find the associates program, create an account there, and you will be an affiliate for them. Okay. Another type of product that you can promote is digital products from ClickBank, which are in other niches like weight loss, like dating, which are evergreen. Okay, so they don't have launches like the product from the internet marketing space. And let me just give you an example. Okay, let me just log in. I usually don't promote this type of products, but I used to do it in the past. And you just have to go create an account on clickbank.com. If you go in the marketplace space here, if you want to see which are the top selling products, you just click here on the small search icon. Okay, and for example, the top selling is a numerology website. Okay, it's like a numerology service. If you scroll down, it's lean belly breakthrough. So this one, it's in weight loss. Okay, so what you want to do from here, you get your affiliate link and you create a review for lean belly breakthrough. Now, if we go on YouTube, lean belly breakthrough, you can see that one of the first keywords that appear for lean belly breakthrough review. Okay, these guys are selling as affiliates, probably most of them. Okay, so we have lean belly breakthrough, this first one, truth exposed. Okay, if we look down, okay, here we probably can find the link to the lean belly breakthrough. Then we have another review here. Okay, if we click on this link, I bet this is a ClickBank affiliate link. Let's click on it. Okay, yeah, this is the one. Okay, so definitely this is how it works, guys. Okay, it's very, very simple, as you can see. So these people, look, this one has like 17,000 views. Okay, probably a lot of people have clicked on this link. If from 17,000 views she had like, let's say 15,000 unique visitors and 2,000 visitors clicked on the link, even if just 50 of them bought, that means like around $1,000 for a small review video, which is not bad at all. Okay, if you do a lot of this, you will get income after income after income. Okay, money after money and commissions after commissions. Okay, so this is how it works. It's pretty simple. Now, in the case in which you don't want to create the video yourself, you can go on a platform, the video review yourself, on a platform like Fiverr, and you just search for video reviews, okay, from people, and you will find people here who are creating video reviews. Okay, you can pay them from up to $5, maybe to up to from $5 to up to $20, $30 to create a video review, and you can pay them. And afterwards, you just go back on YouTube, you upload the video on your account because you have a unique video made by someone who actually does this every day. Okay, creates videos, and you put in the right keywords, put your affiliate link in the description, and that's about it. Now, how do you know how to search for the right keywords? Well, basically in the case of product launches, your main keyword, okay, your title for the video will be the title of the product, and add to it review. Okay, and in the case of the other products, okay, which are evergreen and it's harder to rank for, you have to see what other keywords related to that product people search for. Maybe they search how to lose weight and they will buy that product with lean belly breakthrough. Okay, so you have to do a little bit more research to see what keywords you should include in the description of the video and in the title. But basically, this is the whole process. This is what I wanted to show to you. I know there's a little bit to digest here, but the process in a conclusion is simple. Okay, find an offer that you want to promote, create a video review on for it, choose the right keywords, upload that on YouTube. Okay, put the right title with the right keywords, create a description which includes the keywords and your affiliate link, and you're pretty much set. Okay, that's it. You should be able to rank pretty soon. If you want to rank faster your YouTube video, what you can also search for on Fiverr is YouTube views. You can buy YouTube views, which will help you to rank faster. I will organically promote YouTube views, encouraging. Okay, so for example, you can get viral social promotion for only $5. So search for YouTube views to some of these guys, but be sure that they are trustworthy. And for $5, you have more chances to rank because you get YouTube views. Okay, but this is optional. Okay, so mainly this is the process. Okay, now guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you, and we are looking forward to see you in our next video with the next method.